Hello there. My name is Karen, and I decided to start a YouTube channel because I don't know, everybody else does, and I have a lot of things that I like to share. Done a lot of things in my life, got a lot of knowledge about a lot of things, and why not? Um, so here we go. So I thought I would start. We have an outside shop that we've sort of turned into this little work area. This is like my little space here. Make coin rings. I do some hammered metal stuff. I'm just learning how to do stuff. I'm going to take this piece of copper tubing and try to make a bracelet. Gonna make a video. So anyway, today's going to be copper pipe. We'll try that. Um, I have an embroidery machine or two. I do sewing. In the past, I've worked the veterinary industry for many years. I've done dog training. I've had dogs that have titles, so I've got a little knowledge on that and dog behavior. Um, I've done chalk painting. I've raised kids. I've got grandkids. So, I used to raise sugar gliders. I still have my sugar gliders, by the way. They're awesome. So I have a little bit of knowledge about sugar gliders and how to tend to them and feed them and love on them and what they require. So anyway, so we're going to start this. So I need you to like and just, subscribe like they always say on all these videos, because I want to start really making the ball rolling. I've got some money invested in some of the equipment. I bought a new iPhone with all this fancy photography stuff on it. I bought the software that I need to make the videos cute and fun. The tripods, the light boxes, and all that kind of stuff. So, I'm sure I'm going to make some mistakes. Bear with me. I mean, you can leave negative comments. I'm thick-skinned. I don't really care. I've been going to try to do this for a while, but I've been waiting on the day I look good and don't have to worry about makeup, and I'm thinking it's just not going to happen. It is what it is, and I'm not going to always have makeup on. I'm not always going to look my best. I'm 62 years old, and I don't care anymore, okay? So anyway, hang with me. Let's do this together. Here's my fancy thing that turns off my phone. Let's do this together.